Demonstrate the proper use of pH paper to identify hazards. Ensure proper detection, monitoring, or sampling method and equipment is chosen. Ensure that all responders are wearing appropriate PPE. Inspect the paper to ensure it has not been exposed or expired. Remove a piece of appropriate size pH paper from the roll or remove strip from the container and secure the paper. Sample the product. If monitoring vapors or gases, pH paper should be wetted. Compare results to pH paper color scale to determine if the product is an acid, a base, or neutral. Record results. Confirmation of a corrosive atmosphere will eliminate the use of electronic meters for further testing. Report results according to AHJ's procedures. Dispose of pH paper in accordance with appropriate regulations. Decontaminate equipment and return to operational state per manufacturer's instructions. Complete required reports and supporting documentation.